Everybody, I'm playing with my dogs. I got my coffee, and it's dark as hell, so let me turn on the light. Okay. Here's a cookie. I know what she wants, but first we gotta show coffee. Give me coffee. And here's a cookie. And this is what she wants. Well, Mommy wants it too, but she can't have it. You want it? Ever get that toy again? There she goes. That's my girl. Come here, Coffee. And I got Mommy all excited. Shh. Shh. I have to put my hand in front of her. Hey, Coffee right here. And throw the toy. Get her some exercise. Yeah. That's why she's gross. She's on top of her squishing the toy. Tell her, Mummies. Tell her. Get your ass off me. Yeah, tell her, Mummies. Get off me. There goes Coffee. That's my coffee. That's my coffee. What's up, girl? What's up, girl? Hey. Hey, where's my toy? Where's my toy? Yeah, she knows I'm going to throw it. Okay, I'm putting my hand on my... And... Whoop. Cheeky don't play no more. She used to play with these toys, but not anymore. And Mommy, you can't play with those toys. You got your own toy because you got potty mouth. She's the cleaner. As I said, she eats rodents, but she also eats poop. We're trying to get her off that. So, no kisses from Mommies. Ugh. You asleep? She was... Hey, my Cheeky. Cheeky just wants away from Mom. Mom's out right now. Alright, that's it. Peace out, y'all. Peace out to Coffee. One more time. Peace out to Cookie. Play it. Get it, Cookie. Get it. Peace out, Mommies. And peace out, Cheeky. Cheeky. Peace out.